Hi students, welcome to my YouTube video. I Mr. Ajit Khatge, Department of Mechanical, CB Core Polytechnic, Chikkodi. Yesterday in last video we discussed about components of IC engine, that are the cylinder head, piston, crankshaft, connecting rod, inlet valve and exhaust valve. These are the main components of IC engine. And today we are going to discuss about working of two-stroke petrol engine. Let me move to the topic. See here, working of two-stroke petrol engine. First, we go through the working of two-stroke means video of that. See here, this is what video of two-stroke petrol engine means how two-stroke engine works. And in this, we are going to discuss about three main topics. That are first one, key components of IC engine, construction of IC engine, and third one, working of IC engine. Let's move to the one by one. Key components of IC engine. This is engine head, engine block, engine sump, transport port, inlet port, exhaust port. Next, cylinder, piston, compression ring, piston pin, connecting rod, it is small end bearing, this is big end bearing. This is crankshaft, this is spark plug. Now construction of IC engine means how the engine will constructed. So piston is inserted into the cylinder, then connecting rod is connected to piston with small end bearing, and crank is connected to the big end bearing, and there is a spark plug provided at the top of the cylinder head to ignite the fuel. This is what construction of IC engine. Next, working of IC engine. Just see here how the engine will work. In this IC engine, there are two strokes. One is upward stroke that contains suction or intake stroke, and other is compression stroke. So this is what working of IC engine. In upward stroke, the piston moves from BDC to TDC. At that time, the piston covers the exhaust port and transport port. At that time, piston covers the transfer port and exhaust ports and uncovers the suction port. At that time, the fresh charge will be entered into the crankcase. And at the end of this stroke, the spark plug will ignite the fuel by sparking the spark plug. Then this is what? Upward stroke. Next, in downward stroke, again there are two processes: power process or expansion process, and exhaust process. So in this stroke, the piston move from TDC to BDC, and first it uncovers the exhaust port and transfer port, and further moment of piston from TDC to BDC, it will cover the inlet port. Means now the fresh charge will be entering into the crankcase will be cut off. At that time, the piston moving from TDC to BDC means what? Due to after igniting the fuel into cylinder, the high temperature and high pressure gas will be push the piston downward, that is called power stroke from TDC to BDC. At that time, when piston moving from TDC to BDC, first it uncovers the exhaust ports and transfer port, and further movement of piston from TDC to BDC, it covers the inlet port, means which cut off the supply of fresh charge or fresh fuel into the crankcase, and at that time the fuel from crankcase will enter into the cylinder from the transfer port, and simultaneously the burnt gas will escape from the exhaust port into through the port to the atmosphere. See process. Now fresh charge will entering into cylinder through the transfer port, and similarly at same time the burnt gas will escaping from the transfer port into the atmosphere. This is downward stroke. It is also called expansion process or power stroke process. Next, scavenging. What is meant by scavenging? So it is nothing but a what? When piston moving from TDC to BDC, means it power stroke, the fresh charge will be entering into cylinder. At the same time, the burnt gas will be escaping from the transfer port. But as this video shows that the small amount of fresh charge will be escaping to the transfer port. This reduces the what? Efficiency of the engine. To avoid this one, the transfer port and exhaust port will be provided. There is small difference, means both are placed opposite, but there is small difference. There is means there is no parallel. That is called what? Scavenging, which increase the efficiency of engine. This is what? Working of two-stroke petrol engine. And with respect to diesel engine, working remains same, but instead of spark plug, there is a fuel injector which inject the fuel in small tiny particles into the cylinder. And one more difference is, in diesel engine, there is no mixture of air and fuel enter into cylinder. Only the fresh air will be enter into cylinder. After compressing, it's at the end of upward stroke, the fuel will be injected into the compressed air, which ignite the means that air will ignite the fuel, and that produces the high temperature and high pressure that pushes the piston downward. That is called power stroke. This is the only difference between petrol and diesel engine. Means in petrol engine, the mixture of petrol means air and fuel get enter into cylinder, but in diesel engine only fresh air will be enter into cylinder. After compressing, the fuel will be injected into the compressed air. And in petrol engine, spark plug is required to ignite the compressed fuel, but in diesel engine there is no spark plug. The fuel injector will inject the fuel into cylinder in a small tiny particles, just like a spray. This is what? Working principle of two-stroke petrol or diesel engine. Once again, I am going to just play the video. See here, this is IC engine, and in this is called inlet valve. See here, see, this is inlet valve, means the fresh charge entered from through this port. This is exhaust port, means the burnt gas will enter, escape from that. Then this is transfer port, means the fresh charge will be entering through this crankcase to cylinder. This is a spark plug which ignite the fuel by sparking the fire. This is the what working of two-stroke petrol or diesel engine. The principle of working two-stroke petrol diesel remains same, but only difference is that in petrol engine, the mixture of air and fuel get entered into cylinder, and in diesel engine, only fresh air will be entered into the cylinder. And in petrol engine, spark plug is required to ignite the fuel, but in diesel engine, there is a fuel injector which inject the fuel into the compressed air. That air, due to high temperature of air, the fuel get ignited, and that produces the what? Hot gases that push the piston downward. That is called power stroke. Thank you for watching this video. And see one more thing, there is a explanation of working principle. Just read this explanation, we can understand the better. Thank you for watching this video.